Hey everyone, congratulations on finishing this section. I just want to congratulate you on this great achievement because you're doing great, and keep in mind that the practice is everything and it's key to success in programming. As I said, programming is a muscle and you have to keep using it if you want to become a good programmer. So, this one was a little bit complicated, especially the fact that I didn't provide any guidance. I just did it and wanted you to do it because, again, one of the keys to becoming a good programmer essentially is the ability to solve complicated challenges and problems, and that's something I wanted you to do in this section. That's why I didn't provide any guidance when we were doing the practice. So just keep in mind that don't be discouraged if you were having a hard time doing it. Don't think that it is not for you. The programming is not something you're supposed to do or anything like that. It just takes time and it just takes a lot of practice, and these challenges help you to become a better programmer. So just keep that in mind. Don't be discouraged, and let's go over the next section to talk about some more interesting stuff when it comes to Python programming. I'll see you in the next one.